How are you all doing today? Hope you all are doing well. Welcome to our channel Namma Aduge, which means food from my kitchen. Today we are going to prepare a simple, quick and easy recipe, that is Egg Burji. In your busy schedule, if you want to prepare a simple, quick recipe, this is something that you can choose for. If you want to prepare this simple Egg Burji, then you will need just the ingredients that are easily available at your home. So let's see what are the ingredients that we need to prepare this yummy and delicious Egg Burji. So if you want to prepare this yummy and delicious Egg Burji, then let's see what are the ingredients that we need. So here are the ingredients that we need. Oil 2.5 teaspoon. Mustard seeds half teaspoon. Onion 1 medium and 1 small size. I have chopped the onions here. Green chillies 2. I have chopped the green chillies as well. Turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon. Curry leaves few. Eggs 4. Coriander leaves few. This is optional. So let's turn on the gas and keep the kadai on the stove. Let the kadai heat. Pour oil. Once the oil is heated, we'll add mustard seeds. Let the mustard seeds crackle. Now we are going to add chopped onions. Let the gas be in medium flame, and now we are not going to cook the onion completely. We are going to add our ingredients one by one, and by the end of it, our onions will be cooked completely. So once after adding the onions, we are going to add green chillies. Now we are going to add curry leaves. Now I am going to add the turmeric powder. Adding turmeric powder will reduce the smell of egg. Now I am going to add some salt. Let us not add too much of salt. If in case you think that you need more salt after tasting, you can add it later on. Now I'm going to break the eggs one by one. Now as you see, I have not mixed the eggs into the masala immediately. I have kept the gas in low flame. And after a minute, I am mixing it slowly with the masala. Make sure that you do not fry the eggs until it becomes dry. We need to have some moist in this egg burji. That is when it will taste more delicious. If you would like to see more of my cooking videos, please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, please do not forget to click on the like button. Additionally, if you have missed out on previous goli bhaji video recipe, I will link it in the top right corner of this video or in the description box that is available in the bottom of this video. Currently, this is the most liked video on my channel. Eggs are a very good source of inexpensive, high quality protein. Eggs contain vitamin A, folate, vitamin B5, vitamin B12, vitamin B2, phosphorus, selenium. Eggs are one of the few foods that should be classified as superfoods. They are loaded with nutrients, some of which are rare in modern diet, and decent amounts of vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K, vitamin B6, calcium and zinc. Alright, enough of information today. Let's turn off the gas, add some coriander leaves before we serve. Our yummy and delicious egg burji or Indian scrambled egg is ready. This has very minimal masalas in it and I'm sure that everybody will like it. If you would like to see more simple, quick and tasty recipes from my kitchen, I request you to subscribe to our channel Namma Aduge and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, take care and see you all soon.